Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to program your sensors, your wheel sensors on your vehicle, whatever it might be. It doesn't have to be Toyota, it could be anything. The purpose of this video is per request from one of my subscribers, viewers that watch my channel on a regular basis. And actually it was on my list. I decided to make it sooner. So what you need is you need a tool first before you can program anything, and let me show you what kind of tool you need and how everything works and how you can do it. The way things work, you need a tool. You can program your sensor. You have to establish communication between the sensor and the car computer, and to do that you need something like this tool. It's very easy to use, or you can use any other tools on the market available, but the price range goes up higher. So this one, that's the model number, and I would post a link where you can actually buy it. Well, this tool comes with a charger. Yes, it has built-in batteries and the cable for your OBD2. I think instructions, if I'm not, yes, it comes with a basic instruction. I think this is just a receipt that I have. So how to use this tool is very simple. What you want to do, hit the power button. Okay, power button is on, and you just wait and you wait, and then you select. See the arrows? You can either select between settings or TPMS sensors. We're going to select TPMS sensors because we're not going to change the settings. We're going to find the car. So by you pushing down, then you find your car. So this is Toyota. As an example, as you can see, there's all kind of cars here, even Rolls-Royce. I'm not sure if Ferrari was there or not. Then look for a Toyota. Then you select which model you have. Then you hit OK. Then you select type of wheels and year you have. Aluminum will have different versus steel. I do not know what's the difference, but apparently there is a difference. I have alloy. I think the sensor itself is the way it mounts is different, so that's why they have these different options. 4 wheels or 5 wheels. On many newer cars today, even this Toyota Tundra base model, it has 5 wheels. 5 wheels including the spare tire. So we'll select 5, and then you start going to the wheel. So we're gonna come here, hold the sensor, and we're gonna go to press this button. It says to start. See right there? Because it's that red, it shows it shows you the front and back, where they see 5 wheels, the one in the back, the spare tire. So we're gonna press this, hold it next to the sensor. See how fast it picked up? It tells you what kind of sensor, what's the pressure, the hertz, the frequency, battery, temperature. See right there. Once you go around, then what you do next, you click next, and it will take you to the next tire. Let me push that so you can see it. See, now it's selected next tire, next front, the right front tire, which is I'm not gonna do. There is no need for me to reprogram. Once you're done with that, then what you want to do, next step, is you take your OBD2 cable, this cable here, and then you plug it into your OBD2 port. See, I have scan gauge plugged into OBD2 port. You just unplug if you have a scan gauge, or you just plug it in there. Then you plug it in the other end of this cable to your tool. You turn the ignition on, when all the lights come on the dashboard, you establish a communication and you follow on the screen. And it will tell you when it's done or not. And it's that simple. So, if you have questions, drop me in the comment section. There's a lot of information on this company website too. It's self-explanatory, straightforward. There is not much to it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others.